Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make kisses at home. We'll see what are the ingredients needed for that. First we need 200 grams of sugar and 2 eggs. For 2 eggs 200 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of corn flour, few drops of lime and little vanilla. First we must add this corn flour to this sugar and we'll grind and powder it and take. Powdered sugar is very easy to make kisses. We'll powder this sugar and take now. When we are doing kisses, here I powdered the sugar and took. We must take white eggs, not brown eggs. From these white eggs, egg white only we must use. You must carefully separate it without mixing the yolk. Now we'll see. The bowl also must be very dry and clean. The beater also must be dry and clean. We'll see how to make that now. First we'll separate the egg. Here see, I separated without mixing the yolk. Now we'll beat. A little bubbles came. Now you add little vanilla and gradually add the sugar little by little and few drops of lime. I add the vanilla 1 teaspoon and few drops of lime and put high speed and beat. Now add the sugar little by little. Here I have to, here see the consistency. Another have to beat. My remaining sugar will add and again will beat nicely another few minutes. And if you need to add coloring, you can add after this. We'll add all the sugar. Here's the consistency, you see. Yeah. Thick peak coming. Thick peak. then only the consistency is correct. We'll separate into two balls and we'll add colors. Here I separate into two balls and mixing pink and green. And we must preheat the oven for 100 degrees for 10 minutes. Here I am adding green color. And mix. And we must ready a piping bag. And two baking trays. And mixing the pink color. Here's my nozzle. Here's star shape and open shape. It's not curved one. We will fill to this piping bag and we'll piping bag. Here I am filling the piping bag. And slowly we'll put this into up. Like that, pull it up. Press it and pull it up. Like this, pull it up. Here's my two trays. I arrange like this, buttered, and put a oil paper. Yes, it. Here's my green color one. Press like it and pull it up. Press like this and pull it up. Here's my all 5 kisses. Now we'll bake for 1 hour in 100 degrees. After that we'll see. Don't take at once from the oven. After 1 hour you keep little and take off the oven and just little keep and take it out. Only 100 degrees only we are using for baking these kisses. Here see. Here baked nicely and crispy and very tasty. It was taken 1 hour and 10 minutes for bake these kisses for me in my oven. You also make and see, taste and see. Thank you for watching.